Sunshine Code has its own potato plantation and picks fresh potato directly from the place of origin. High-quality potato are hand-selected and used as raw materials to guarantee taste and quality. Once freshly harvested, the first step in processing our potatoes is an automated washing process. This state-of-the-art system thoroughly cleans the potatoes, effectively removing any dirt and debris from their surface. Our advanced cleaning technology ensures that each potato is spotless and ready for the next stage of production, maintaining the highest standards of quality and hygiene. The selected potatoes are then peeled and cut into uniform sizes, ready for further processing. Once the potatoes are thoroughly cleaned, they undergo a meticulous peeling process using advanced automated equipment. This ensures that each potato is peeled perfectly, maintaining its quality. Following this, the potatoes are cut into smaller, uniform pieces with precision automated machinery. This cutting process guarantees consistency in every piece, making sure they are perfectly prepared for the next stage. Our cutting-edge technology allows us to handle large quantities of potatoes quickly and efficiently. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.